Days.
Exactly. You know, one of the phrases I was mentioning earlier today was look before you lock, because temperatures this weekend getting very warm, lots of sunshine outside, cars will heat up quickly. So just make sure you check your back seats before you leave. Make sure there's not a kid in there, one of your kids, or maybe a pet as well. Let's just get right to it. The heat indices for the next several days. Tomorrow, it's going to feel like it gets up in the low 90s, so right at 92 degrees. On Friday, the heat index should peak out at right around 100 degrees. It's going to feel as warm as 104 on Saturday, and 103 degrees is what it's going to feel like Sunday afternoon. So let's get right to tomorrow. We'll start out in the temperatures in the 60s. We warm quickly up to 80 degrees by 11 o'clock, 87 degrees by 3. We top out right around 89 degrees, which we should see right around 5 o'clock. Not a lot of wind to help move the air around a little bit tomorrow either. So burn time is about 15 minutes with a UV index of 9. Here's an hour-by-hour look at the heat index forecast for tomorrow. At 8 o'clock, it's going to feel like it's nearly 70 degrees. We head through the afternoon. By noon, it's going to feel like it's 85 degrees. And as we head through late afternoon, again, we peak out right around 92 for Indianapolis at 5 o'clock in the afternoon, perhaps a bit warmer as you head down towards Terre Haute along I-70. And then that's going to continue to stick around through the evening hours, with it still feeling like 87 degrees by 7 o'clock in the evening. There are heat watches off to our north. There are heat advisories back out to the west, and excessive heat warnings out towards Kansas City, where tomorrow they're expecting heat indices between 105 and 110 degrees, and that heat just continues to move off to the east. No heat advisories for central Indiana as of right now, but you can see the heat that's building out that direction starts to move our way as we go through the day on Friday. Friday, we're likely going to see temperatures up 92 to 93 degrees in Indianapolis. And then on Saturday, we'll see temperatures between 93 and 94 for air temperature. So that's when you factor in the humidity. It's going to feel closer to 104 Saturday afternoon. So if you've got some yard work to do, highly suggest doing it tomorrow, because once we get into Friday and Saturday, that's when it's going to start to feel pretty miserable outside with the heat indices so high, very muggly out there. Notice I don't have Sunday afternoon with a chance for some mowing, because we've got the chance for some thunderstorms moving into the area. 7-day forecast shows the heat continues on. Sunday, we'll see a high of 93 degrees with those afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms. Front moves south of us, so a chance for some thunderstorms down towards Columbus, maybe down towards Seymour. Monday, mostly sunny skies in Indianapolis, the high of 91. 89 on Tuesday with some scattered showers and thunderstorms. And on Wednesday, we see a high temperature of 90 degrees. And frankly, it looks like we could have temperatures in the 90s all the way through the first week of July.